What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your girl Samantha, and I am back with another video. Now, I'm here with something exciting. Yes, exciting. What is that? Well, Canva recently dropped a new addition to its platform, and that new addition is called Magic Layers. So, what is Magic Layers in Canva? So this refers to the combination of AI-powered magic tools and the traditional layers panel. Now, this tool, with its addition, should allow users to easily manipulate, separate, and arrange design elements for complex professional layouts. So ideally, if you use different AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, you know the works. If you use these tools to generate different graphics or illustrations, Magic Layers is the tool that is going to allow you to make edits to uh, to those images. So before I show you how this tool can be used, I just want to share with you four different techniques or components of magic layers in Canva. This is the magic grab, and what this does is to isolate the main subject of a photo. It allows you to move or resize the image independently of the background, and this makes for the perfect placing of text or other elements behind a person or an object. Then there's also Magic Edit. This allows you to highlight specific areas of an image and replace it with something else using a text prompt or even adding a new layer of customization. Then there's Magic Morph, and this simply allows you to transform text or shapes into new styles using a prompt. And then there's the layers panel, which you can access, and it allows you to drag and drop elements to change their order or to lock elements and the works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a quick rundown, or we're using it together to see what we can accomplish. Now, I work with real estate agents, and sometimes to get a particular image, I would have to use AI to generate this. So I'm going to use one of the recently generated uh, AI files so that you have an understanding of, what we can do with this. So I'm going to choose this file. And as you can see on the left, Magic Layers is doing its thing so that we'll be able to edit this. So I'm just going to leave it to work its so-called magic, and then I can come back to it. Good. So I'm going to zoom, and as you can see, different components can be moved. I can move this, and I can also change the color. So I'm going to go ahead and change the color. I can also adjust the text. I'm going to add this is vibes and vinyl. I'm going to adjust the size. I'm going to move this from an 85 to around 60. And I'm going to stretch the text so that it fits. I am also going to change the font. Awesome. Let's look at something else. Let's look at this wine glass. All right, let's change the color. Okay, interesting. Let's remove Let's remove the cup. I can delete this. Oops. Let's delete that. Let's move this. Zoom out. And as you can see, the text is here. I can also make changes to this. I can bold, I can italicize, I can underline, I can cross through, and I can change the caps. So this is fully editable. Let's look at the effects, if I can actually add an effect to this. Let's choose neon. And let's increase the size. Ooh, this is awesome. What about the images? Let's see. I can move this. I can take this out, or I can change the color, as you can see as well. And of course, this is not going to be a deep edit where you can change the color, each basic color on the canvas here that I have selected. But it just allows you a little wiggle room to customize the images that you're working with when you generate them using AI. I am going to remove this, and you can actually remove the entire background and you can add to it. Let's undo this and put the background back because I did like the colors. You can highlight everything, you can remove everything that is on it, or you can remove and you can replace. Let's copy this. Have a jolly good time. So guys, I think you get the idea. There is so much you can do using this tool, and I am simply encouraging you to make the best use of it, because I do believe Magic Layers is a game changer. Now, what I want you to do is just to go in Canva, well, not Canva, or if you want to generate an image in Canva, you can, but whatever AI tool you use, generate an image and try to see how best you can edit it. So if there's anything, if there's any element on the canvas that you do not like and you want to change, I would encourage you to play around with it and to see how it can benefit you. So whether it is that you operate a blog, or you do graphic design work, or you're publishing for KDP, I do believe Magic Layers in Canva should be able to help you. This is a short video. I really do not want to stay here any longer. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.